mga kadugtong, welcome to my channel. This is Pinoy Grafter. If you love gardening, and if you are interested in learning to graft, this is the channel for you. Here you can learn various grafting methods such as cleft graft, veneer side graft, bark graft, double rootstock graft, triple rootstock, and many more. I will also show you some techniques in plant propagation like marcoting and cuttings of various plant varieties. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support my channel.